So what I got here is some new tires and some tire tubes. So the tires I'm using is 26 inches, and these are comfort tires, which are just about the same as actual road tires. Then I got these tubes on sale from Walmart. For 4 of them, it's $10. So these, I could use 2 of them for my bike, and then I have 2 left over in case I ever need them. Then I bought some screws, and that should work out perfectly fine. That first one was way too hard to get out, but the second one came out pretty easily. I got both of them out, and now I'm gonna have to put them on the tires. A whole lot more work than I was expecting, but finally got the tire off. Also, there's planes. I got this first tire. Something's not right here. Okay, so I figured out the problem. The measurements are wrong. I need a 28-inch by 28-inch tire. Let me show you. So these wheels here measure 26 across. So these are 26-inch wheels. However, the company who made these tires measured 26 from this end to this end. Finally got the whole garage to myself, so that means I'm able to have the freedom to do and build whatever I want to with this whole tire space I got. Guys, I know that it's been a while since I've worked on this 100cc bike project, and I'll tell you the reason. The reason is that I got discouraged and my camera died, so I'm gonna have to use my phone. So basically I bought 2 tires from Walmart. The pair costed $50. So I tried taking them back and they wouldn't return them because I threw the box away. So I was like, I really don't want to spend another $50 for something that might not fit. I postponed the project for a little while because I didn't want to waste more money. I gotta hide it first. I don't want y'all to see it before. Actually went smoother than I thought it would. Yep, it's definitely another bicycle. Yeah, big reveal. I'm actually just going to be using this for a parts bicycle, like a parts car, because I do not like this bicycle that much. I found it at a thrift store for $15. I do not like the handlebars. These tires are 12 inches as well, and the chain is broke. I'm actually going to start building it now. Got 1 tire off. There we go. I just hate messing with chains. I might not even have to mess with the chain. Anyway, what is it? Ah, there we go. There you go. That's gonna work. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to put it back on. That legit looks like a frame for a tricycle. Actually, bigger wheel on the front, 2 smaller wheels on the back. That'd be hilarious. Yep. Guys, it's coming along together really, really nicely. So now I'm going to put that back tire on. I decided to actually not put these fenders back on because of safety reasons, and also the new tires won't fit on or through there, so I'm just going to leave them off. For some reason the back tires have bigger nuts and bolts, so We're gonna have to, they're both, now these, it will not scrape up against the top, so I would be perfectly fine just to tighten them all the way. Trying to find my old bicycle parts in this mess. Using stuff for the pedals. Yeah, actually, I might need that. There's the seat I was looking for. They're all this junk. That's all the screws and stuff I need. These should be the new ones. Be all the new screws I got from Lowe's. That was rusted out. We got them brand new. This is what the bicycle looks like so far, and I have to tell you, it looks amazing. The paint job, the red, it just looks so good. And I was really wanting to paint that black, but I don't think you're really going to see it. It'll be too much work to tape everything off. So I'm going to leave it as be. I will be sanding this piece down because it needs to get all the rust off. I'm thinking about painting it black as well. And you see there's actually dirt and grime all in the center of it and everything. Just to not to bore y'all, but I already sanded this down, and now it's time to primer and paint. Oh man, he got rid of my paint booth. I don't know how I didn't notice that before. I just seen this lawnmower. If you guys think I can make that into a riding mower or something, or some go-kart, let me know. I can do some research and try. I mean, if y'all want to watch it. Okay, so without my paint booth, I'm going to have to use my own hand. That's why I'm wearing gloves. The wind's blowing a lot. Of course, it's not going to look perfect, but that's not the point. The point is to restore it to make it a whole lot better looking, and making it look perfect ain't the point. You can see the divots of where the rust has settled in and created holes. No joke, it's already dry after 5 minutes, so now it's time to put the black paint on. I finally found somewhere to hang it. I feel like I'm talking too much in this video. I do apologize. If y'all are enjoying it, just let me know by liking the video and subscribing. So the paint is still wet after like an hour and a half. Well, it's not wet, it's a little sticky. I'm actually going ahead and still using it. I'm going to be extra careful. I got to be extra careful because it's going to be next to the truck. So this light, it doesn't work, as I'm pretty sure. I think there's too much loose wires up in here, so it won't work. And I mean, it might work, but I think that part is coming off. So I'm not going to try to clean out the inside or anything. I'm going to leave it shut. But if it does work, that's good. But if it doesn't, then that's fine. I just mainly want to keep this on the bike for originality, and also, instead of using the long screw that's rusty, I could use off this one. I was thinking about putting the seat, transferring the seat over there, but decided against that as well. That's gonna work. So instead of wasting my time using a wrench to do this, I could just see. There we go. As you can see, got a little bit of scratch from being put up in storage a little bit, but once again, that doesn't really matter to me. It's still black, and that's going to be covered up anyway because it has to go through the little thing that attaches it to the actual frame of the bike, and this down to here will be covered up. So I do think these handlebars is better than that handlebar. I don't know how people drive with that. The handlebars. So I'm gonna get that piece off right there and see if it'll fit the other bike, because I can't seem to get this one to work. Put the washer on. Okay, let's try this again. It's a whole lot better now. Just realized I'm gonna have to use the old kickstand instead of the new one because the new one's actually welded onto the bicycle frame, and then this one actually just screws in. So I think I'm gonna have to sand that down and then paint it black. I can take these pedals off and put them onto the new one. So these brakes are actually no good because it's so rusted out on the handles that you can't actually squeeze them out. So I'm just going to use the brake pads to put on the other set on the other bicycle. There you go. What the heck? There you go.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying.
There's one final thing I want to do before I finish today's video. I got this rear reflector. There you go. Or it should be. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.